Hey! Right! As you can see, morning, Friday. The whole inside of it is now sprayed. I did it this morning after rubbing down whatever needed to be rubbed down. And I also sprayed the RA frame because it was a bit scruffy. And I thought, well, red oxide can't be bad, right?
Nice.
Anyhow, started doing the wheels. So the 5 wheels are stripped and now they're sprayed with that primer. And I got the other part of the combat rims. And that's the second coat of this stuff. Yeah? Which I'm putting on it. And next, dun!
Whitehead and thinking of taking his bullocks to auction next week. Well, we're going to play a bullock, Anna May Bullock, aka Tina Turner, on the way soon.
What's John saying? He's thinking his bollocks to auction.
News and weather.
Time checks with Hogarth the Jewelers.
Anyway.
We've 2 shops for jewellery and watches.
That's the our next step. As you can see, there was a Jeep here. It's not here anymore. It's another garage. And
7 minutes to 1 o'clock.
basically, every time he says "Good afternoon, 7 minutes," I think he's going to say "Good afternoon, Seb," and he goes 7 minutes. And I'm like, what? Turn around. Is he seeing me? Anyway, basically, I'm going to remove the engine. Right, so I need to push it down. Hope it doesn't roll into that crane. That crane jumps over that thing, rolls back into that Mercedes and cracks the windscreen. Because I'm on my own, but I think I can handle it. I'll definitely need to leave this phone. And anyway, I'll let you know what happened tomorrow. Yesterday. Seriously, mates. The sun is out. The sky is bright. Have a good weekend.
Cottage to let here in Cumbria can be a great investment, except